Buenos dias, good afternoon, good evening guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for the newcomers. My name is Divi, and yes, I am the guy that with his family sold literally everything he owned 5 years ago, went all into Bitcoin and started to travel the world. Now coming to you from the beautiful beach here in Tulum, in Mexico of course, still hodling my Bitcoin, still believing in Bitcoins. In today's video, talking about a 4-hour chart in Bitcoin that shows you that we can even go higher than 60k. Congratulations to all the hodlers with the first time reaching 60k, guys, new all-time high. The main part of this video will be about the Tulum school project that we are building over here. And yesterday we did the first donation and we went there at the family and we handed over the donation. So please don't only watch the first couple of minutes to see the charts, but also watch the beautiful images we created again there and the beautiful project, so you can see how far we already are with the building of that school with your help, the Bitcoin family members, all of you out there. And yes, of course, we as a small Bitcoin family as well, but you guys, you made this all possible. Just watch till the end of the video to see the results. So guys, do watch the video I created yesterday with Crypto on his channel, because it already had a 50k views. I did a price prediction there for the end of the year and for the end of this bull run. Really cool information on his video of course as well. He has a shitload more of followers than we have, but we got like 1,000 followers more because we were on the Crypto show. Soon he will be appearing on my channel as well. Yes, the Bitcoin family is growing and we are getting more and more and more and cooler content, and I will soon start to edit the videos again with cool music, cool views and a good stable camera instead of the iPhone that is turning around because of the wind. Enjoy today's video guys. Bam! On this 4-hour chart guys, you can see that we are moving in this channel. This channel is earning somewhere around 63,000 US dollar. Yes, we broke the 60 level. Now we can go to the 63k level. Maybe have a pullback to the bottom of the channel. Yes, don't freak out. I know that bottom is around 55k. It's a huge drop. I don't see this happening. I'm just making this channel so I see where could be the top. Maybe we will break the top of this channel and we will take it all the way to 70k guys, like I said on the video yesterday on Crypto's channel. I believe we could go to 70k, then see that pullback, maybe 30%, like a 20k pullback to 50k before we have that last push all the way up to 100k. Or maybe we do the copy of 2013. Check this chart, then you don't understand what I mean with the copy of 2013. This one, bam, you can see in 2013 we grew above the logarithmic growth curve, the midline. We pulled above it, then we came back to the 21 MA, and then we had a second run all the way up to the top of the logarithmic growth curve. Now we are doing the same. We went above this midline of the logarithmic growth curve. Maybe we'll pull back to the 21 MA and then have the second run or continue this run. We all don't know, but you always need to be prepared for all those scenarios. Really cool chart. Then I have another chart, this one. Bam! This chart, you can see how the Bitcoin price performed after the halving. The first bull run, the blue line, that was 92 times after the halving. The second one is this red line. That one is 30 times after the halving. And now the white line is the current bull run after the halving, and we are only at 6.6, and we are performing in between of the last two performance, like in between 90 and 30. So maybe we will go to 40 or 50. That means 50 times the price of the halving would give us an end result of 50 times like 10k or something. That would end up at 400,000. If we go 30 times, it will be 300,000. If we underperform and we only go 20 times, it will still be 200,000 US dollar. That will be the top of the bull run. Really cool charts. Let's now jump into that part when we visited the school yesterday and when we brought the donation, so you can see how far we are already with the school. I will skip the news because I will do a live today, and in the live today in Dutch we will talk about the news, and in the live tomorrow in English we will talk about the news. Today only the price and the school project. Bam! What do you want to ask?
Nothing.
I love your t-shirt.
Thank you.
So you know what we are going to do?
Yeah.
We are going to bring some donations to kids. And there is another beautiful daughter with another amazing t-shirt. The combination of these two t-shirts is like my life. 1 second. The revolution of Che Guevara, bam, hodl your bitcoins, and lipstick. So we're going to tell the story how this connection between me, Emmanuel, Lassa, and Fernando, how it happened. It's really cool stuff.
So Lassa was selling lemonade on the street because he was done some trees to Maria on our house, and then a girl passed and they started talking with this girl. She's a babysitter and she told them about this project here about the school. So Lassa said, we have to go to the school, we have to go. Then we came to Lassa. Here we found out about this project and then I met Divi and he wanted to do some charity. And here we are, everybody coming together. And
now we already collected some funds. I'm going to give you the first one. And this one is a total of 40,000 Mexican pesos. 3,400.
I'm gonna give you all the expenses.
Just take the time. We already raised almost $15,000. So what I just saw, the whole plan and the beautiful walls inside the school, I think it's done. I think you have raised so much money we can build the whole school and look like the kids.
Yeah, beautiful. Really. I never saw that like this in video, but it's kind of story.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, this morning I feel like any to see the horizon and the far.
Just imagine, guys, how this will look in a couple of times. How beautiful. Here you can see how it is at the moment. And then the school is going to be created with a roof. Then the other building will be connected with this building. Then we have colorful like walls inside, really beautiful. The garden will be created. Then it will be connected to the garden in the back with the football field. Look, everything is already designed. They only needed the funds. And you and we as the Bitcoin family created those funds for them. Look how beautiful this is going to be. This is how the kids are going to learn everything about life and greens and planting their own food and all that stuff. What you see there over there is going to look like that. So you can see the roof up here. This is already the fundamentals, and then bam, converted completely to this. So it will be a very nature school instead of the building you see in the back there. That was everything for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment, as I love to respond to your comments. I hope you really enjoyed the part about the school and that you see that the funds are really going to the school and what they are going to do with this. Man, it's so beautiful to be able to do these kinds of things in life, and I'm very happy and very thankful for the life that we are living, and I'm very thankful for you guys becoming part of this huge Bitcoin family. Already 3,000 members on the Discord server using our referral links, and by using those referral links we get fees, and these fees all go into these funds that we use to help poor people all over the world. Thanks for being part of this amazing adventure. Thanks for being part about it. Thanks for being part of the Bitcoin family, guys. I wish you an amazing weekend, a beautiful Saturday, an amazing Sunday, maybe even a Bitcoin price all the way up to 63k. Enjoy the weekend to the fullest, guys. Always remember to zoom out in Bitcoin and to zoom in at life. Try to enjoy every single minute of the day, and that is exactly what life should be about. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the lives today and tomorrow, and I'll see you Monday again in an edited video on the YouTube channel of Bitcoin Family.
Since you took the time to watch this video till the end, you can access some of my paid courses for free today. You just need to look for the link in the description that says, Free, Private, Access. Once you click on that link, you will see an access web page. All you need to do to gain free access to the private membership club is type in 7654. You can then join my internet marketing membership club for free. I also listed some other very useful information below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to like and click the notification bell to get updates. Okay, until next time, take care.